The Signo Décor integration kit comes with a Signo Décor reader and installation kit, which includes mounting plate and center fascia. The back box, mounting screws, and switch fascia ring are not supplied. The reader wiring connections are labeled underneath the terminal blocks. Standard wiring connections for the power, data, and green LED control are located on the top terminal connector. Optional wiring connections for tamper, red LED, hold and beeper inputs are as defined on the bottom of the terminal connector. To attach the mounting bracket, ensure that top on the metal bracket is at the top and the Décor module is facing as shown. Tilt the Décor module and engage the two lugs at the bottom of the module into the metal bracket as shown. Gently stretch the metal bracket up and clip the top of the Décor module into place. To mount the reader, align the Décor module with the fitted bracket to the back box. Attach with 2 screws, adjusting for level before tightening. Fit the desired frame into the metal bracket. Ensure that the frame is central on the metal bracket and the frame is flush to the wall. While holding the frame in position, insert the inner fascia into the frame as shown. Push the inner fascia in until it is fully inserted, then power the reader. Test the reader with a credential. The reader may beep and the LED may flash depending on the reader's configuration. To remove the inner fascia, insert a flat blade screwdriver into the features shown to release the inner fascia. The tamper post will activate a tamper event when the fascia is removed if the tamper feature is enabled for the reader.